Can you show me? Just one. Here's pollution. So you have to circle it. All the aliens. Okay, Daddy?
Okay.
He has no idea what stickers.
What? I thought you were going to do 2 pages for 2 stickers.
Just one stick. I don't want to. I want to do a pet.
Just 1 page today? What's that?
Just one. Now I need a sticker. Now I need a sticker. And now I... Good morning, dark side time. Can you show me?
Right there.
Singing bum bum bum.
Yeah, that was really good singing.
Did it go away?
Yeah? Alright guys, that's a wrap on day 22. We have all of our greens in the ground. We have spinach, lettuce, and mesclun. Created a nice little pivot point here on this far bed. And then right next to that, we planted, well, we haven't planted actually. We're getting ready to do green beans. We're gonna do trellises, not really trellises. We're gonna do posts all the way down the middle of the bed, and then green beans around each post. We'll probably do gourds on this wider bed here, and then we'll go from there. Make sure you tune in tomorrow. I'll be planting a little bit more tomorrow. This first batch of crops, we're just going to kind of wing it and see what happens, and we're going to go straight in the soil. By the time we're ready to plant again, we'll have some raised beds, and we'll have some of this compost will be ready to go. So we'll have some more rich, fertile soil for some of the different crops that we'd like to grow. But for now, this is a really good start. We've got some builds going on in the backyard that I haven't shown you guys yet because it's for a surprise that we haven't told you about yet. So stay tuned. We should have some really big updates coming up. Okay, so thanks a lot. I appreciate you guys so much. Hit that like button for me and go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If it's your first time picking up the show, go back and you can watch the whole thing from the beginning. So thanks a lot. Catch you guys later. I bought Royal Caribbean, and I bought Carnival and Cedar Fair.